When you're getting your site up and running, you're likely going to want to run a number of tests to make sure everything's working the way you want it to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your testing process more efficient by using test data. First, let's go take a look at our checkout form. Now, this is what you would expect to see on a checkout form when you first visit it. A blank form with no information filled out. So if you want to run a test right now, you'll need to manually type in all of the information that's required before submitting the order. Now let's set up test data. We'll go back into MemberMouse. And in order to use test data, at least one of your payment methods needs to be put into test mode. So I have authorized.net currently set up, and I'll enable test mode. And click Save Payment Methods. And now if I scroll down, I'll see the area where I could enter in test data. And I just check off Use Test Data, and the test data configuration form shows up. Now I had already filled out this information previously, and that's why it's pre-populated. What you'll go ahead and do is fill out this form data one by one, as you want it to be for your test scenarios. So I'll specify a password here, and I'll enter in the authorized.net test credit card number, and enter in a security code, and save that. So now our test data is saved. Now just make a special note about the email address. You should use a real email address for an account that you have access to. The reason being is that MemberMouse will automatically generate unique email addresses based on the email address you put in here. And if you use a Gmail account, you'll even be able to receive all of the welcome emails and other emails that MemberMouse sends out. Now let's go back to our checkout form and see what the effect of us entering test data has been. I'll refresh this page. And now you'll notice that the entire checkout form is pre-populated with the test data we entered in on the payment settings page. And now all we need to do is submit an order. Now you'll notice on this page that the username is demo_45@membermouse.com and the email address is demo+45@membermouse.com. This is a system that MemberMouse uses for creating unique email addresses while also ensuring that those email accounts are valid so they can receive emails. This is just something you need to be aware of. If you want to log in with this test account, you'll use demo_45@membermouse.com, but emails sent to this member will go to demo+45@membermouse.com. So as you can see, using test data is a useful tool to help your testing process be as efficient as possible.